Alright, so today, gotta change this guy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is January 2nd, 21. So new year, new fresh. I hope you all guys had a great holidays. Battery went out, so did a little bit checking, and this alternator was kind of giving out on it. So now I got an alternator out. My dad is going out to AutoZone, pick one up, and yeah, so first job of this year, and hopefully it's gonna be a good one. And hopefully this video is gonna kick it off because we got some other stuff coming in. But for now, we gotta get back to Toyota and get this bad boy fixed up for my mom so she can get back to driving. All right, so at this point, I have the bracket on my way. So I'm gonna have to remove the bracket in order to get an alternator out. Because as you can see, as I'm trying to get her out, it was hitting the radiator. And then I had to remove the bracket so I can get alternator a little bit more to the front of the car. And then it comes right up. And there she goes. Remove the bracket, the alternator comes right out. Alright guys, so just got an alternator out. It's only held by 2 bolts and this bracket on top. So this bracket is being held by this bolt here, and this long one goes on the bottom, goes through here. There you go. So it's really easy. Come to this one in order to get it out of here because it's kind of a little bit tight because of this bolt on the bottom. It's hitting the intake manifold. You just have to remove this bracket. As soon as you remove it, you have an option to pull the alternator kind of back and then out. While waiting for my parts to come in. Alright guys, so we got a brand new bad boy right here. There you go, guys. New alternator connected, all hooked up. Battery post back on. Let's start the car. Yeah, it runs pretty good. No battery light on. As you guys can see, it's really cold in here. Alright, so all the lights are back to normal. Uh-oh. You have this guy. We'll reset all the lights. I think there's a couple things going on. Alright. Alright guys, so this is the tools you need to change the alternator. 14 mil for the long bolt on the bottom. 12 mil for the bolt on the top, 10 mil to change the wiring, and another 12 socket to get one of those bolts from the bracket out. That's pretty much it, and you don't need a light to help you with that. Disconnect the wiring, remove the plastic cap. That's about it.